Where's the VIN on a classic car?
Where do you even find the VIN on a classic car? If you're used to modern cars, this part gets confusing. Classic cars, they didn't all play by the same rules. First place to check, under the hood. Look along the engine firewall, inner fenders or shock towers. Some classics hide the VIN where you'd never expect it. Check driver's side door jamb and frame rail to find the classic VIN. If it's a 1968 or later classic, you might find the VIN right there on the dashboard like modern cars. And sometimes, the VIN isn't on the car at all. It's on the paperwork such as vehicle title, registration, and the build sheet. Here's the important part. All the VIN numbers on a car should match. If they don't, that's a serious red flag. And once you've found the VIN, Classic Decoder helps you uncover the full story behind it. Access auction or sales history with photos, title, and ownership history, accident and damage records, theft reports, mileage records, lien and loan records. Verify specifications, including the engine, transmission, factory paint colors, and more with build sheet. And Classic Decoder even provide a digital garage for instant specs viewing, upload documents and photos to track your restoration journey and showcase your entire collection. Classic Decoder is also available on the App Store and Google Play. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what real users say. And check the video description. There's a discount link for your first Classic report and build sheet. Check your Classic VIN today and unlock its history, specs, and build sheet instantly.